Leaks don't wait. They damage, disrupt, and cost millions. But what if you could be the expert who stops them before they spread? Welcome to the ProQual Level 3 NVQ Diploma in Testing, Inspecting and Thorough Examination Occupations, Leak Detection in Waterproof Systems. The industry-recognized qualification designed to put you at the forefront of waterproofing and inspection. ProQual is an awarding body that is recognized and approved by OFQUAL to develop and award qualifications. Inspire College of Technologies is approved training center of ProQual. You'll complete 4 mandatory units that cover complying with health, safety, and environmental requirements, developing and maintaining effective working relationships, confirming work activities and resources for leak detection, testing, inspecting, and thorough examination of waterproof systems. With a flexible duration of 6 to 12 months, this course fits around your professional commitments while ensuring you achieve a nationally recognized qualification. This diploma is ideal for leak detection technicians, waterproofing specialists, and construction professionals who want to master the skills of testing and inspecting waterproof systems. Take the next step in your career. Become the trusted professional who ensures structures stay safe, dry, and secure. Enroll today with Inspire College of Technologies and elevate your expertise in leak detection.
For registration or more information, please visit www.inspirecollege.co.uk or www.ictqual.co.uk. Call us on 442035764371 or WhatsApp us on 44744139671. Email us at info@ictqual.co.uk.